Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. A wholesome meal in no time, start to finish. This shrimp dish is keto, low-carb friendly if you leave out the pasta, bursting with flavor, aroma, color, and nutrition. Plus, it's a great way to sneak some fresh spinach into the kids' diet. So let's get to cooking. For the ingredients, we have large shrimp peeled and deveined, about 20 per pound, garlic cloves, baby spinach leaves, a 5 to 8 ounce package, olive oil, smoked paprika, sea salt, pinch of cayenne pepper, optional, pinch of red pepper flakes, optional, and linguine pasta, optional. If you're on a low-carb diet, you can leave out the pasta. Cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package for al dente, meaning the pasta shouldn't be hard, but have a tiny amount of resistance when you bite into it. Here's a tip. Pour your noodles into salted boiling water. While the pasta is cooking, rinse the shrimp and pat dry with a kitchen towel or paper towel. Roughly chop the baby spinach and set it aside. Next, add the seasoning rub to the shrimp. Add sea salt and paprika. Set the shrimp aside and thinly slice the garlic.
He used a razor and he used to slice it so thin that it used to liquefy in the pan with just a little oil. It's a very good system.
No need for a razor here, just a sharp knife. Zest the lemon and add to the shrimp. I'm using a microplane grater zester. I've added a link in the description. Place the oil in a large non-stick skillet or Dutch oven skillet like I have here and heat over medium-high heat. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and add the garlic to cook, stirring until the garlic is light golden, approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Be sure to watch it closely so the garlic doesn't burn because it will give off a bitter taste that can ruin a dish. Once the garlic is brown, transfer it to a small bowl or plate. Using a slotted spoon is best, leaving the oil in the skillet. Now add the seasoned shrimp to the skillet and cook it until the shrimp turns pink and is nearly cooked through, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the cayenne pepper, and red pepper flakes to the shrimp. You'll notice I still have the tails on the shrimp. Feel free to remove them if you prefer. Then stir in the spinach and add the garlic and cook until the shrimp is opaque throughout and spinach is wilted, around 1 to 2 minutes more. And that's it. The perfect pairing is linguine pasta, but you can omit the pasta if you're on a low-carb diet. The dish will still be delicious. I hope you'll agree that it's fast, easy, and delicious. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.